Hala, mag-isa na lang ako. Wala ng tao, naiwan na ako. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another iVenture. It's another Friday, so alarm at 3 a.m. para sumabak dito sa aming Friday trail run. And today it's gonna be Croissant's Loop, and the team got some picture attendance first before we start to run. Importante siya para po malaman natin kung sino yung huli or sino hindi dumating after ng running namin. So it depends on the distance kasi. In this loop, we have like 12 kilometers from start to finish. It's from the start going back to the same place where we started. So, eto na nga, we're going to start the run. And yes, I am filming myself so I can take you all the way to where I am going. With the team, hopefully with the team. We actually started late at this time and we are trying to be on time with the schedule because mahirap pag naabutan ka ng araw dito. We are trying to start early so hindi po masyadong mainit pag tumakbo kasi you know naman it's desierto and sun is really hot. So we are trying to start before sunrise as per schedule, but sometimes hindi talaga maiiwasan yung iba nawawala going into the route. And today we are kind of bit late of 5 to 10 minutes. So that's the base basically, and we are really encouraging everyone to have the hydration kit. Yes, the tubig and some snacks along the way, especially when you are running more than an hour. You really need to have snacks. On this trail run, we categorize those faster, mid, and slow kasi meron namang mga joiners na they just started to join trail, and meron naman talagang mga advanced runners and those that are in the middle. So we basically divided into 3 and nasa gitna ako just to take care of those who are in the middle. And of course, may sweeper din kami, those who are taking everyone, making sure that everyone's safe after the run. And we have the leads, those who are running in front, who are faster, and they can finish the run or 12 kilometers in just 1 hour and 30 or less. So yun. It is already sunrise and I keep running along the trails. Hala, mag-isa na lang ako. Wala ng tao, naiwan na ako. So yeah, basically this is the thing when you are going on trail and when everyone's like doing their pace not the same as yours. May chance talaga na mag-isa ka na lang tumatakbo. As you can see along or around me, I have no one with me. So, medyo nakakatakot po siya. Especially if babae ka or, mag-isa ka lang. You don't know what's ahead of you or at the back of you. So, minsan talaga, if may fear of being alone ka, probably this is really not for you. But, ano lang to, tigasan ng loob, kumbaga. So, may moment talaga na tatakbo ka mag-isa and may moment naman talaga na magkakasama kayo, especially hindi kayo pare-pareho ng pacing niyan. And trail is absolutely amazing. Minsan, may makikita kang mga animals around or minsan snakes or minsan scorpions. So, really it depends. So, I keep running on and I'm still alone and I keep reaching. I have the maps with me, and usually we put it on the website, and I extend my route as per our usual route kasi nga I wanted to do a 15 kilometer, which is our usual route in this loop is just 12 kilometers, but I extended along this way and I wanted to make it a 15 kilometers back and forth. So that's my original plan supposedly. And nakita ko nga tong si Tofi, he is second timer in this trail in the group. Bago pa lang siya tumatakbo last year and last week and this week. So nakita ko siya actually crossing a different trail. So sinama ko siya, tinanong ko siya kung gusto niyang sumama sa akin. And he said okay naman. And unfortunately, wala po siyang map. Kaya dinala ko na lang din talaga siya for his safety.
I went straight. I didn't go right to the gravels. So I went straight to the trail, going 7.5 and come back. So this is it. Wow, amazing. Woo.
Upon exploring with Tofi, good thing na napagdesisyonan din pala ni Kuya Rod na to go on my direction. I think may nakapagsabi din sa kanya. Ito nga, I love chasing the sunrise. Oh my God. This is so beautiful place actually in person.
It's gravel part of the run. Oo nga eh. Yun yung plan ko din. So it's flat gravel and that mountain. May daan nga kuya. Sand part. Oop. Buti na lang nabutan ako ni kuya. Kaya hindi ako natakot.
One of my biggest challenges in doing the trail running is, to be honest, running on the sand kasi sobrang hirap niya. Nakakapagod po siya sa calves. Pero I tried my really best to run on it kasi nga I need to train myself. I need to train my body towards it. Running towards it para naman in the future races. And yeah, we keep running and walking when we see things or changes of routes katulad niyan. And explore talaga namin ang part na to, which is not our usual route, but it's sobrang ganda. Kaso nga lang, sobrang mainit na talaga at this time. Buti na lang talaga meron kaming water with our hydration vest. Kaya you are really advised to take more water with you. Etong part na to is very, very beautiful. Napaka-amazing na gravels uphill. It's going up the hill with all this kind of rocky trails. So look at that place. It's so amazing. I love it so much. I love this part. Kaya kinunan ko talaga ng video sila. Kahit malayo na sila sa akin. I'd stop to take a pic, a full view of this part. Kung hindi ka talaga runner or typically not a trail runner, you would ask yourself what's special in this video. Of course, you will not really appreciate what I am doing, or you may not really like what it is, but believe me, Ginagawa ko to dahil I have to be grounded at least once in a while, once in a week.
Maganda raw to. Pero sa personal, sa video hindi maganda eh. Sa personal magandang tingnan.
I wanted to reconnect myself on the nature, which gives me a lot of energy to recharge for another week, and it really helps me a lot.
Oh, look at that. Whew. Amazing. Wow, wow, wow. Whew.
At kami ay nagpapatuloy sa aming paglalakbay. Takbo, lakad, takbo, lakad, takbo, lakad. So, sometimes we are really walking kasi nga, hindi naman race to as of the moment. So, we are exploring the place, to be honest, para naman sa future route namin to extend the 12 kilometers into 15 kilometers or more. Kaya nag-explore kami ng another way bago bumalik dun sa base namin. So, no rush. Sometimes we run, sometimes we walk. So, eto yung exploration namin upon discovering new path or new route. Imagine those steps and imagine those peacefulness along the way. Wala ka talagang maririnig around kundi yung steps mo lang. Pag may tunog yung utot mo dito, maririnig talaga siya. Joke, joke, joke. So we reached the technical part or the technical area where it is connected to the usual route ng 12 kilometers namin. So malapit na tayo sa finish line, mga 4 kilometers away na lang. Back to the sand part where it's very near to our base. When you see this camel, eto na yung sign na malapit ka na talaga sa base namin. Malapit ka na matapos. And eto na nga, and I reached the base and just finishing few more meters just to finish my 14 kilometers for today.
All right, reach my 10,000 steps. So this is us after the trail.
Give it to me like.
Our main chef. The trail chef. Yeah. We have the same
You and me
uniform.
and
Jockey.
Jackie.
Yeah. We did the 26K
Jackie.
at Ullaray
That is Jackie.
last time.
Jackie, yeah. بالله يا سعد امك ليش تقول امك والله
How is it? Good? How many kilo? 12? 11. Hi, Maha. So cute. Hi, Kuya. Woo. Guys, we discover a beautiful place.
ليه ما خلت شويه
Give it to me like.
What's the seriousness about?
For the garlic.
Oh, really? Hi, Jackie. Is that Hussein? Oh my God! How are you? Berlin. Welcome back. How is it, guys? Good? Yeah, but it's windy, right? It's good. It's cool. At least. We discover a new place. This is us after the run.
Give it to me like.
Sir, kumusta po? Finisher ka? Finisher?
Basta lang ako doon.
Kumusta po, sir?
Hey, hey.
Okay naman? Finisher ka din? Or cashier ka? We have a new chef in the house.
Wala ko may regalo ka rin sa akin.
Give it to me like.
I love baklava. Baklava. I love baklava. I love baklava.
Give it to me like.
Done with breakfast and we're just sharing fun.
شفت مصعب شفت دقايق اول 4 كيلو كان فاضي لا واخذت لا كتير بالعربي ولا سنه كتير وين رو؟ تايلاند؟ يا رو تايلاند سوادي كم؟ After 2 months in Thailand,
Enjoy your vacation. Bye. Thank you so much.
Budget lang. Gumagana sa breakfast.
At kami po ay pauwi na sa ganitong oras. Natapos kami siguro mga 10:30 at eto na nga yung moment na magre-relax na papuntang bahay. I'm gonna share to you guys the place where we used to run our main base for the trail. Napakaganda niya. Nadadaanan lang pala namin siya. Ayan siya. Yung pinaka mataas na pylon na yan. Yan, and this base. So, dyan kami talaga every Friday. And palipat-lipat lang din kami kung saan yung assigned namin na loop for the week. So, yan na po. At dito ko na tinatapos ang aking vlog. And I hope to see you again very soon on sharing upon my running experience on trail and on the road. And marami pang fitness tips for all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon in my channel. Keep sharing, keep liking, send some love, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.